Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss like how we create a Google as a default browser in Microsoft Edge. This is my Microsoft Edge, but here browser is a Bing, but we need the Google. So how we can do this? There's a three dot button. We simply need to click on this dot, and at the we need to go to the privacy, search and the services. Click on this button. And after that, we need to go to the bottom. At the bottom, we have an option of address bar and the search. Simply click on this, and here we have a search engine used in the address bar. Here we have a different type of option like Yahoo, Google and other, but we need to select a Google. Just click on this and now you can see our default browser is a Google. Now we need to test this. Simply type on the formula. Just wait for a second. We just need to refresh this. Here you can see now it shows the result like our default browser is the Google. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.